talking about that section of New Jersey where we went off the ridge and it was so stormy. Those were the big hemlock forest.
Yeah, yeah.
I was able to get under some of these trees and be
Completely dry.
yeah.
That's a hemlock.
Yeah. They were much. I mean, they were
wider.
Had a lot of overhang.
Yeah. The long branches.
Yeah.
That's typically what you'll see in a hemlock.
This looks like it's recent.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, I'm wondering if you're in the shelter and you got 50, 60 mile per hour winds, do you just stay or y'all get out and do you go and walk through the woods when you got 60 mile per hour winds?
Depends on what it's doing outside. You know what I'm saying?
I like the thrill, so I would probably walk. I like the dodging trees.
Hold up. You hear that?
Yep. Right
It's to the left as well.
This is really cool section right here.
Yeah, I've been videoing for a few minutes.
Wow.
Nice little stream here.
You know, it's one of the sounds I love more than anything is
Trickling.
Brook.